factorial program using recursion in Python language. Let us see the basic definition for the factorial of a number. Factorial of n is equal to n times n minus 1 times and so on 3 times 2 times 1. We can rewrite this as n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 factorial. A recursion function is a function that calls itself. Let us write a factorial function that takes the n value as argument and returns its factorial. Recursion is the process of defining a problem in terms of a simpler version of itself. In this video, our problem of interest is finding the factorial of a number. The problem is n factorial, and its solution is n times n minus 1 factorial. We are given a problem to find the factorial of n, but now we have simplified it to finding the n minus 1 factorial, one step towards the solution. This function in its current form iterates from n towards negative infinity. Of course, we cannot go with this recursion for infinity. We need to have a base case, that is, when to stop calling the function inside the function and start returning the result. When it comes to factorial, n is equal to 0 becomes the base condition because n is equal to 0 is the least n value for which we can define a factorial. Therefore, if n is equal to 0, we do not call the function again, but we return the factorial of 0, which is 1. This is our recursive function that finds the factorial of a given number. Therefore, there are two important things for using a recursive function. The first thing is to define the given problem in terms of a simpler version of itself. The second thing is to find all the base cases and cover them. For factorial, there is only one base case, which is n being 0. Now let us take this recursion function and find the factorial of 5. Call factorial function and pass 5 as argument. Print the result to output. Save and run the program. The factorial of 5 is 120. Let us find the factorial of 10. Call factorial function and pass 10 as argument. Save and run the program. The factorial of 10 is 3628800. Concluding this video, we have seen what a recursive function is and how to write a recursive function to find the factorial of a given number. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.